Shopping for an electric wheelchair can feel overwhelming. Amazon is filled with so many models promising comfort, long battery life, and easy folding that it's hard to know which ones are really worth it and which ones aren't. So if you're tired of scrolling through endless listings and confusing specs, don't worry, I've done the homework for you. After going through real user reviews, comparing features, and separating the good and bad options, I put together a list of the best electric wheelchairs you can buy right now. And if you find something you like, I'll leave links to all the electric wheelchairs in the description below. First up is the Jester wheelchair, which I ranked as the most lightweight electric wheelchair. Now when we look at the frame and layout, this is where it gets its lightweight factor. This thing only weighs 36 pounds, which means lifting this into a car shouldn't feel like a workout. So if you're a senior or caregiver, it shouldn't be too much of a struggle. And because this has a simple one-step folding design, this won't take up too much space. Just fold it, lift it, and just go about your day. Now when we look at the motors, this electric wheelchair packs two 250-watt brushless motors, and these are surprisingly smooth, quiet, and low maintenance. And by the way, even if you're on the heavier side, this should still be plenty strong. You get up to 350 pounds of support, and even with all that, you could still climb about 12 degrees inclines. Now let's look at the tires, because these are solid too. It has this honeycomb design that not only makes them ride smooth, but also are puncture resistant, so riding over a few rocks on the sidewalk won't be a hassle. And the best part is that this is pretty easily maneuverable. It has a small turning radius so you can move around easily even in tight rooms or narrow hallways. And this is what Ray had to say. Maneuvers well. Braking works when unit is on. No need to bend down to lock the wheels in or out. One battery, easy to remove and charge. Good distances and adjustable speed. I'll use several times before battery begins to wear down. Battery is pretty impressive too. You can expect to get a full charge in about 3 to 4 hours, and that gives you about 15 miles of range, which should be plenty for errands and strolling around. And controlling this electric wheelchair is pretty easy with its 360-degree joystick, and you have 5 different speed levels to choose from. And even if you're riding at night, a front LED will help out a bit. You can even charge your phone while rolling around. Next up is the Meritz Health P710 Atlantis, which I ranked as the best bariatric electric wheelchair. And this chair is built tough. It can support up to 600 pounds, but still keeps you comfortable with an extra wide seat and a tall backrest. And you can even pick between 24 or 26-inch seat widths, and tweak the seat depth from 20 to 22 inches in 1-inch steps to get it just right. Now let's talk about how solid this thing feels. 4 seat posts tie the frame together for serious stability and long-term durability. And when it comes to range, this isn't your average power chair. You can roll up to 32 miles on a single charge, which is over double than the last one we talked about. The top speed of about 5 miles per hour keeps things moving, and the high power inline motors can handle slopes up to 10 degrees without a fuss. Down low, you've got 12-inch pneumatic drive wheels and 9-inch pneumatic casters. These give you better grip and soak up bumps for a smoother ride. Even with its size, the turning radius is about 31.5 inches, so getting around isn't as tricky as you'd think. Ground clearance is around 3 inches, which helps you when you're rolling over small bumps or door thresholds. And charging is simple too. The chair runs on a 60 amp controller and uses an off-board 6 amp charger, so you can plug it in without wrestling with the chair. Now this chair is on the heavier side at around 304 pounds, so although it may not be the easiest to move in a car, it certainly wins the heavy-duty seal of approval. Up next is the Pride Jazzy Karman, which I ranked as the best folding wheelchair. And right away, the carbon fiber frame is what makes this chair stand out. It's strong but super light, with the whole unit weighing around 43.6 pounds, including the battery. The battery itself is just about 4 pounds, so lifting it into a car or closet won't feel like a workout, even for a caregiver or senior. Folding it up is quick too. In a few steps, you can have it ready to go and slip into a truck or corner of your home. And since it runs on a lithium-ion battery that's airline friendly, you can roll it right up to the gate when you travel without extra stress. And here's what MH had to say. Folds easily and compact, works great indoors and does a good job outdoors. My wife has used it in the grass and hard-packed gravel. Suspension smooths the ride over cobblestone pavers. Comfort gets some nice touches here as well. You get a padded seat back, a soft removable cushion, and a pocket on the back for small things. There's even underseat storage for items you'd want close by. And the joysticks comes off for transport and has a built-in USB port so you can charge your phone while you're on the go. The ride feels smooth thanks to the front suspension, and control stays solid with brushless motors plus a dual braking setup. Performance is solid too. The top speed is about 3.7 miles per hour, and on a full charge, you can roll up to 9.3 miles. It supports people up to 300 pounds, has a 24-inch turning radius, and about 2 inches of ground clearance. And the footprint is compact at roughly 37 inches long by 24 inches wide, which makes moving through doorways and hallways a lot easier. Next is the Karman Healthcare XO505, which I ranked as the best standing power wheelchair. And this chair is all about advanced movement. It can take you from sitting to standing in under 15 seconds, and you can also get power recline, power tilt, and power elevating leg rests. You can stop at any angle to fit your comfort or reach. So whether that's shifting pressure, grabbing something from a cabinet, or speaking eye to eye, this wheelchair will do it all. The LCD control panel makes all those settings easy to see, and the joysticks runs both driving and standing modes so you don't have to switch controls. Now the frame is built from 6061 T6 aircraft grade aluminum, which gives it strength without extra bulk. Its mid-wheel drive layout keeps 6 wheels on the ground for better balance and tighter turns, and the rear shock absorbers help smooth out uneven surfaces. Even with all those powered functions, it still manages about 25 miles of range per charge, which is impressive for a standing chair. And safety is baked in too. You get an H-style chest harness, a lap belt, leg straps, and a large foot plate which keeps you supported while standing or reclining. And these touches help you feel secure and steady no matter what position you're in. Up next is the ComfyGo IQ-8000, which I ranked as the best value electric wheelchair. And this chair keeps things simple and affordable without cutting the good stuff. It weighs about 55 pounds, including the battery, folds up in roughly 3 seconds, and fits into most trunks. It's also airline and cruise line approved with lithium batteries, so travel is much less stressful. And one of the coolest features is the remote control. You can pair it to the chair and drive it from off the seat, which is perfect for a caregiver to park, line up in a transfer, or dock at a table without pushing by hand. And you can pick from 2 seat widths, about 16 inches or 18 inches, with load ratings up to 286 pounds on the 16-inch seat or 330 pounds on the 18-inch seat. And you can also choose different frame and cushion colors to match your style, which is a nice bonus. And power comes from dual direct current motors with shock absorbers to smooth out the ride. The 360-degree waterproof joystick includes a power button, speed up and down, a horn, and clear indicators, so it's easy to get used to. Underseat storage gives you space for daily items you want close at hand. And for range, you can go with a 12 amp hour battery for about 13 miles or upgrade to that 20 amp hour battery for about 19 miles, depending on rider weight and terrain. It handles common paths like grass, bricks, and mild ramps at low speeds without much trouble. Finally, at number 1 is the Golden Technologies Light Rider NV GP162, which I ranked as the best overall electric wheelchair. And if you had to choose a wheelchair blindly, then this one would win every time. For starters, it's made for easy indoor handling, simple transport, and a reliable range for everyday use. With a turning radius of about 28.5 inches, it spins around smoothly in tight hallways or living rooms, and the top speed of about 3.5 miles per hour keeps things safe indoors, while the range of up to 15.5 miles on the two 22 amp hour batteries means you can cover a full day of errands without stressing about the charge. And don't worry about durability, because its tubular frame is strong, and you even have room under the seat for a large basket. And that underseat storage is perfect for things like a purse, groceries, or a small bag. And for comfort, you can choose either a 17-inch or 20-inch stadium-style seat, and there's also a large footplate and rear anti-tip wheels to keep you steady as you ride. Now the dynamic Lynx joystick is simple to learn and comes in either standard or traditional styles, so you can pick whatever feels best. And when it's time to travel by car, breaking it down is quick. The chair comes apart into 4 pieces in under a minute. And the heaviest piece is the base at about 37 pounds, which is still manageable for most people to lift. And you also get about 2.5 inches of ground clearance, which is enough to roll over door lips or small thresholds. And if you like a personal touch, you can choose from multiple frame colors to match your style. And that's all for today. I hope this list helped you choose the perfect electric wheelchair. And if you find something you like, don't forget to check the description to find the links of all the electric wheelchairs mentioned in this video. Thanks for watching.